Hello everybody, today in this video I would like to share with you my low carb salad recipe. First of all, I would like to present this one. It's a spring mix. This is the first ingredient I would like to put inside my bowl. You have a chicken slide. This is a chicken slide. You have an olive, like you see, like this. I have my dressing. It's a avocado ranch dressing, like you see inside the pictures. And then I have the cheese. I have a little bit tomato, carrot, macadamia nut, almond nut, and then I have 2 cloves of garlic. I will squeeze them. And then this, I have my bowl. Let's go. The first thing I will do is that take my spring mix like this and then put inside the bowl. I already washed it before. And then I will take a cheese like this, and then I will put the cheese. And then I will put a carrot like this. And then I will put the tomatoes. And then almond nut. Macadamia nut. And then after that, now I need to slice my chicken. Like this, the little piece. You have a chicken slide, and then I will put a little bit olive. And then I will squeeze the garlic like this. And then finally, I will use my dressing. It's an avocado ranch dressing. Important to, to make sure that your dressing don't have sugar add, because we speak about low carb. This is a nutrition fat. And then you see about the total sugar is 1 gram, and then include 0 add sugar. It's really important. I need to open it and then put it. And then now the final step is to mix like this. You need to mix well. Then now it's ready to eat. See the final result. This salad is so good. It's really good. You already tried this salad? Let me know in the comment. See you next week. Bye.